Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Fan Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 Kombi Startline short wheelbase TDI 7sp DSG, presented in that stunning candy white solid paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 150 PS power output. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. Here we have your silver steel wheels, and moving on to the front of the vehicle we have your VW badging, and directly underneath is your front assist. We also have some additional transporter and VW badging dotted around in multiple areas on the exterior of this Kombi. Opening up the tailgate reveals ample of low space, where we have lighting located at the top to increase visibility. Also dotted in multiple areas are some lashing points assisting with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads. As we open one of your twin sliding doors, you are presented with your 3-seats bench, which is split into a 2/1 format, allowing you to fold down the seats to create extra space. Now we get to our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls for the electrically heated and adjustable wing mirrors. On an entry, you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we'll touch on later on in the video, your single passenger seat, along with your driver's seat there, which has armrests located either side to increase comfort on all long and short journeys. And as we pan back around the dashboard, we have additional storage compartments for any smaller personal belongings, along with a couple of drink holders. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel, we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed and also increase and decrease your speed. And to the right, we have your voice activation control. Moving on to the centre console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with the digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. We also have the choice of AM and FM there too. A quick look now at App Connect, where you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlist, and Google Maps navigation. And directly below your centre console is your electronically controlled air conditioning system, your automatic DSG shift box, an additional cup holder with a couple of USB seats. And once again, panning back around the dashboard, we get another angle of them smaller storage compartments, perfect for any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you.